Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Daedalus wallet application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Daedalus application on your Android device, firstly open up your Play Store. On the search box at the top, type in Daedalus wallet and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on Daedalus application displayed on the page. Tap on Install button to start the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. After installation process is completed, tap on Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Daedalus application on your Android device quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.